Getting dogs off of processed kibble and onto human-grade food is a big thing right now, and after testing a bunch of the top brands myself, I can honestly say the quality of life upgrade for your dog is undeniably there. But the one thing that I found is that almost none of them give you any real flexibility as far as options. You're just kind of locked into whatever their one specific product is, and that's why I decided to test out the Pets Table in the first place. They actually come from the same people behind HelloFresh, and their thing is that they let you choose how you feed your dog, whether that's fresh meals, air-dried, or a mix of both. But convenience isn't everything, and I wanted to see if the food quality itself held up. So I ordered a box for my best boy Cooper, and today we're going to go over the whole experience, what it costs, the pros, and whether it's worth pulling the trigger yourself. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, before we even look at the food itself, I went to their site to build out a profile, and I really like how they handle this because normally I'll just buy a huge bag from the store, glance at that confusing chart on the back, and kind of eyeball it with a plastic scoop. Maybe a little extra if Coop gives me the puppy eyes, and sadly, that's exactly how dogs end up, either putting on extra weight or just missing out on the right nutrients. But here, it's a lot more planned out. It runs you through a quick questionnaire with all of the normal stuff, the exact age, their weight, their activity level, their breed, and it actually calculates the precise amount of calories they'll need every single day. Only then do you get to look at the different plans. And like I mentioned, this is where they really shine because you're not just stuck with one option. You can look at the 100% fresh meals, the air-dried food, or the mixed plans, and just decide what makes the most sense for your own life. So about a week later, my 2-week trial box showed up on my doorstep, which, by the way, I really like how they handle that. So instead of sending you a whole month right out of the gate, they send you 2 weeks worth at a pretty heavy discount, just to make sure your dog actually eats the stuff. And yeah, you could tell that the team behind HelloFresh is running this because they have the logistics here. Because look, when you're ordering real perishable food online, the last thing you want is to open a box and realize the meat has just been sweating in the back of a delivery truck all day. But this was packed incredibly well, a little too well if I'm honest. Heavy insulation, tons of dry ice, so by the time I opened it up, everything was still rock solid. There's also a reusable plastic tub in there, and a feeding guide so you know exactly what you're doing right out of the gate. Now, I wanted to test out a couple of their different options to see how they compared, and my first round was the fully fresh plan. And man, when you cut open one of these pouches and scoop it into a bowl, it genuinely looked and smelled like a meat stew. Like I could actually see the meat, the carrots, the green beans, and there's salmon oil in this, which is like a massive dose of omega-3s. And after a couple of weeks of eating this stuff, Cooper stopped obsessing as much over his paws. You know, that constant chewing and scratching they do? That just dialed way back. And when I ran my hand through his fur, I noticed that his coat had gotten a bit softer, which was always nice. All right, so that's the fresh side of things. And look, I love my dog and I want him eating the best stuff possible. But the fact is that feeding a big guy 100% frozen fresh meals every single day is a pretty massive commitment. So I ordered a box of the air-dried stuff, and I really think this is pretty cool. It's totally shelf-stable, so you can keep the bag in the pantry and pour it out onto the bowl. But it's not super processed or anything. They air-dry it really slowly at a low heat, which dehydrates it without destroying all the actual nutrients. And speaking of the nutrients, there's something super interesting on the ingredients list here. They use something called postbiotics. Now, normally dog food companies love to brag about adding probiotics, and not to get too deep into the science stuff, but the reality is half the time those live bacteria just die off in the back of a hot delivery truck before they ever come close to your house. Postbiotics are totally stable, and their job is to strengthen a dog's stomach lining. And I'll be real with you, Cooper can absolutely clear a room when his stomach is acting up, but having this in his diet actually settled him down a little bit. The gas mostly went away. I mean, look, he's still not 100%, but it's a lot better. Now, because the Pets Table makes both the fresh and the air-dried, you don't have to choose one or the other. And after those first 2 boxes, I've actually stuck more long-term with their mixed plan, which is exactly what it sounds like, a 50-50 split. Coop gets the hearty, meaty stew, but I get to save some fridge space. They have 8 recipes to choose from, and it seems like he likes the variety. They even have a setup where they'll just send you half portions. It's cheaper, obviously, but it's also nice if you have a dry food you want to stick with, but you want to add a healthy topper without spending a fortune. Now, I actually reached out to the Pets Table directly since I was putting this review together, and they wanted to give me a discount link for viewers of the channel. It's an affiliate link, so it'll get you a solid discount on your first box at no extra cost to you, and it really does help us keep the channel going. So if you do want to give one of these plans a try for your own dog, I've got that link right down in the description and pinned in the comments. Now, if you do end up ordering a box, there is one thing that you got to be aware of before just tossing their old food in the trash. You cannot simply swap their bowls overnight. If your dog has been eating the exact same thing every single day for years, and you suddenly drop something totally new in front of them, it is going to completely wreck their stomach. Their system just ain't used to it. So the Pets Table provides a customized feeding guide that recommends a 7 to 10 day transition. You start by mixing a tiny bit of the new food in with whatever they're currently eating, and then over the course of the next few days, slowly bump up the ratio until they're fully switched over. It does take a little patience, and I kept finding Cooper trying to pick out the new stuff and leave his old food sitting in the bowl. But if you do rush it, you're going to be cleaning up a mess in the living room later, no question. So just take your time and let their gut adjust. But setting aside the actual feeding routine for a second, the other big thing we should talk about here is the cost, because obviously this isn't going to run you the same as grabbing a cheap 20-pound bag off the shelf at the grocery store. Now, pinning down a specific number is a bit tough since the portions are all customized to your dog's weight. But for Cooper, who's around 25 pounds, the fully fresh plan ran me around $2.70 a meal. The air dried was a lot cheaper, closer to about $1.80. And then the mixed plan that I've been going with is right in the middle at about $2.40. And just a heads up, after the trial, there is a flat $11 shipping fee per box. So is it more expensive than what you're paying for now? Yeah, probably. But having dogs my whole life, I've kind of realized you end up paying for their health one way or another. And honestly, I'd much rather put that money into his bowl every morning and watch him actually enjoy it than spend that exact same amount at the vet a few years down the line when he's miserable and in pain from chronic stomach issues or allergies. It just makes a lot more sense to me to spend it on keeping him happy now. And the bottom line is, when you're looking at what you feed your dog every day, the goal is really just keeping them around and happy for as long as possible. Like, I wanted to get Cooper eating better food, but I also knew that if it was a huge hassle to store or prep every morning, I probably wouldn't stick with it. And so honestly, I'm glad I gave the Pets Table a shot because I like that they just made it simple, having those options, being able to use the fresh meals, but also rely on the air-dried bags. It just made the whole routine very easy. And having tried and reviewed a ton of brands, it's actually pretty rare to find one that gives you that kind of flexibility while also providing actual high-quality food. So if you are thinking about getting something a little nicer to put into your dog's bowl and you want to give them the best chance at a longer, healthier life, the Pets Table is the choice I'd recommend. And that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. It tells the algorithm that I'm not some AI slop. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more reviews just like this. And like I mentioned earlier, if you do want to try out their 2-week trial box, we've got that discount link down in the description. It is for sure the best deal out there right now, better even than what you'd find on their website actually. And if you are a brand and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using our email that's also in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.